grocery store right now, and I'm pretty much almost done. And it's actually one, I believe.
Is Teddy's open? Hi. It's been a while. It's been a while. As you can see, a lot is different. I should open my blind. James is here? Yeah. Anyway, we're going to a cafe today because we're going to study. It's a Friday. Happy Friday, everybody. What time is it? It's currently 9:08 in the morning. Oh wait, I haven't even done my concealer anyway, so I'm gonna do that. And then I will see you guys when things are settled. Oh,
I have the
I'm a silhouette. Okay.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah. Guys, we're at, what is it called?
Envy espresso.
Envy?
Yeah, envy as in like and then long time no see.
Period. The ones that have good luck. Guys, it's the same vlogging phone. Did you say hi?
Okay, you guys, this is Seamus drink. It's an iced chai latte. Let's taste it.
Why don't you mix it properly?
It is mixed. You mix it more.
I didn't mix it well.
It in fact tastes like an iced chai latte with vanilla.
Period.
What do you guess?
She got her devil's drink.
Back to life now. I was so asleep, and now I'm like, hello, good morning, again.
Let me try his drink. I'm gonna cry.
It's like a dinner.
It's the beach thing, and then she. Yeah.
It's like honestly.
I'm gonna ignore the people.
And it's actually one, I believe.
People make this on reels. Like it's like.
I can make it.
Oh, Avatar. Oh yeah. What do you mean I'm paying for movies I don't even own? It's movies.
Yeah. Celebrate the fact that we finished second year.
Yes.
Let's reconnect with nature.
Wait, what?
Hello. This is our uni's new building in the city. Everyone's calling it the nursing building, but like, it's the med building.
It's mad.
Look at this nice little crash out room.
We call it a crash out.
When study is not working, come in here. Okay guys, we have started studying. Everyone's locked in now.
I'm just a dog.
You're also filming. Yeah, locking in. Hey guys, welcome back. For those of you who are new, hi, I'm Shema. I'm currently a third year medical student studying in Australia. I'm international, so I'm actually born and raised in Nairobi, Kenya. And welcome to my channel. So guys, this is my first video back on YouTube. Super excited to be back. I hope you guys are excited to have me back. As you can see, a couple of things are different about me, and I touch base on that a bit later on, but I'll probably talk more about it in future videos. Anyway, this video is just a compilation of my first couple of weeks of the first half of my first semester of third year, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Because I know it's been a while. I don't know how many times I'm gonna say this. Whenever I pick back up the camera, it's been a while. But genuinely, from the very bottom of my heart, I miss it. I miss vlogging, I miss editing, I miss uploading, I miss the community we were building. And it's just this time, there's factors that I'm kind of like, I don't really know what's gonna happen here. But anyway, big changes, two big ones. One, obviously, as you can see, I look different. The hijab has come off. It's guys, leave me alone. Inshallah, it'll go back on one day. Just right now, I just don't think it was not the move for me. We'll probably get into that in the future. The other thing is I moved. As you can see, I've been living in this apartment for the past like 2-ish months. Is it April? And then also I'm a third year med student now, guys. I'm actually halfway through my first semester, and I feel so bad that I haven't vlogged this semester, because guys, when I tell you this has been the semester to vlog, I have been doing everything but studying. After the shit show that was second year, honestly, I think I deserve it. Anyway, it's currently lecture recess. I'm actually finishing lecture recess because it's Friday. Happy Friday, guys. It's the 10th of April. It's currently 5:35 p.m. Today I went out for what is it called? Dim sum? It's like a Cantonese, like Hong Kongese type of brunch thing. Guys, when I tell you the food was buzz, yo. Right now I'm meal planning because I don't remember the last time I had 3 meals. I remember the last time I had breakfast. It might be like 3 weeks ago. The last time I had breakfast was the last time Piju made breakfast for me. I'm living with Piju now, guys, by the way. She's my roommate. She's not here right now. She's gone home for the break. She'll be back on Sunday. Anyway, so yeah, let's meal plan. I'm going grocery shopping with May later.
Hey divas, I'm at the grocery store right now and I'm pretty much almost done. I just need chili oil and chia seeds and I need oyster sauce too. Where do I find the oyster sauce? And then I'm done. So there. Okay, soy sauce, oyster sauce. Here we go. Is this the cheapest one? Probably. It's like $2.30.
Hi guys, May is here. What burrito bowl? May got a burrito bowl.
I can't see anything.
No, she's already bust down on it. I just finished my groceries and money's leaving my account. So
It'll come back at some point.
inshallah, bro. I hope lighting wise that's good. Hi guys, I'm currently back home. It's like 8:24 p.m. and we're about to put our groceries in the fridge. I'm wearing my glasses because I was doing something on my computer really quickly. These are blue light glasses. I don't think I've shown you guys. They're new. You guys know my other framed ones. I do wear those ones mostly, but when I wear my hair up, I tend to wear these because I don't know, I like the way it looks better. Let's put stuff away. So I got some dhania. We got some spinach. These are both for breakfast. Got some white cup mushrooms and 2 carrots. Got 1 like medium-sized sweet potato and a cucumber. Broccolini bunch and capsicum. Strawberries for breakfast stuff. Got some Chobani vanilla Greek yogurt, the no sugar one. And then for meat, I got this extra lean beef stir fry and I got a tray of thigh fillets. I just got this teriyaki stir fry base. There's chili oil, oyster sauce, mayonnaise, but I got it as zesty lime and herb. And then I got some chia seeds. And then last but not least, I got this high protein granola that I've been having with my yogurt bowls. But yeah guys, that's basically all the stuff that I got. I'll see you guys sometime. Hello guys, let me move where there's like better lighting. Oh, I look finessed. How lovely. It's currently 5:30 basically. Happy Sunday, guys. I didn't vlog yesterday. My period did in fact come in. Yeah, sister she was bedridden. I'm gonna meal prep tonight. I just have beef strips here and then chicken breast. I'm gonna be making like a teriyaki beef stir fry. And for the chicken, I'm gonna marinate 2 types of chicken. One's like a honey soy garlic and then the other one zesty lemon herby type of flavor. Anyway, I'm not cooking right now. I just thought I'd check in with you guys.
A few moments later.
Guys, it's the way I'm hungry, but I know if I eat something right now, I'm not going to be able to have dinner later properly. So, snuggle ice cream. Snuggle ice cream. Also, I'm on my period, so who's going to tell me what? I low-key don't even like it because it tastes very chocolatey and you guys know I don't like chocolate. But hey, your sister has cravings. Number 1, number 2, niko na njaa. Number 3, like, there's no number 3 actually. I think it's just those 2. But yeah, this is salted caramel and macadamia. Let's enjoy our little ice cream.
Good morning, guys. So as you guys can see, I woke up pretty early on this day, and you guys know that I do like waking up at 4 in the morning. I just like being in that sort of routine. I am very much an early bird, but let me not even deceive you. This semester, I kid you not, I did it maybe 3 times max. But anyway, I just started off by making my schedule for the week. This is also something that I did not do that much this semester, but I think I was having a pretty productive week this week. Then I moved on to working on, I believe that's some sort of assignment. We had tons and tons of assignments this semester. That's the one thing I'll say. While I didn't study as much because I was only juggling 3 modules, I did have quite a bit of assignments to complete. And yeah, let's get back to the vlog. So hi guys, happy Monday. It's currently Monday the 13th of April in the morning. PJ and I are about to leave the house to go for our class, which is at 1, and it's a 3-hour class, but I'm not planning on staying the whole time. This is what I'm putting on my lips right now. It's this Golden Glow lip oil. I'm just opening my new Torridin serum. This is what I use for my hyaluronic acid, so like my moisture. I haven't talked to you guys today morning yet. I've been very productive, very productive. Ow, I had a pimple here, guys, and I popped it today morning unintentionally because I was dermaplaning. Anyway, so I woke up nice and early today. I woke up at 4. What is that?
That you're missing out on who I really am. Oh, it's on that radio every day, it's the one thing I control. Never letting there's no faking what you feel. It's the one thing I just wanna play my beat. I can hear it every day. Like only one thing you don't see eye to eye. I try to read your mind. Read your face to face, but we don't see.
When are we seeing the video?
Third exo and endotoxins. Was that not triple A?
Yeah, it was. Okay, let me.
It's like a suicide bomber.
Is it that? For the other one, it's like actively.
Oh, I have no idea what this is.
I remember doing that week.
Week 3?
I mean, it's not in our slides. It's not in
We're going to get coffee. Hello. Is Teddy's open at this time?
After a series of unfortunate circumstances.
Guys, look at James. He looks like a schoolboy.
This is what he went to the beach in.
Yes. Okay, I was trying to get a tan.
Yeah.
I went to the beach last Sunday and then today. I was supposed to go yesterday, but I had no time.
James also got sushi. I had to restrain myself because I have no money. What sushi did you get?
I just got a tuna mayo, and teriyaki chicken.
And now we're getting coffee. Well, not we. They're getting coffee.
See the circle? Like, you know when it's like next, huh? I could see the circle. Like, I could see that.
Country girl makes do. You know about that?
No, I don't.
Guys, we're in the library attempting to do literature reviews. This is all I have so far.
We sent to both of us being like, hey, yo, your assignments are ass.
Bonnet. Also yapping, not look to you.
Okay,
Okay. Miss President of the South Asian Society. She has a meeting doing big president moves. Okay, that's okay.
Hi guys, we are back home from the gym. We went late. We went at like 8 and now it's like 9:40. Yeah, it's literally 9:40.
So I just spent the rest of the night watching clinical skills video on scrubbing in and donning and doffing, which I've technically already done on placement. However, this is us getting a formal education on it, which we're super grateful for. And with that being said, we've reached the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!